Hey there YouTubers, today we got a Ford Fusion here with a coolant leak. Came in with an overheat concern through a P1285-00 cylinder head over temp and a P1299 cylinder head protection active. Did a visual inspection, found that there was a coolant hose leaking under the intake, so we're going to go ahead and remove the intake, do some further inspecting, and advise on our repairs. Apprentice here to help today. Right, you sit and give me the ball. Sit. You sit. Supposed to be some type of crankcase breather vent down here. Carefully remove. I do see. Second well all the way there. Service data does tell you to disconnect this here near the throttle body. Just remove this hose clamp. Take it off at this location. After another here. Bearing a little better. Thing out of here now, doing more damage. I already broke that crankcase vent tube. Yeah, there it is. Casualties of war. I have to get another one of those guys. Alright, I'm going to look a little closer though. I believe we can see our coolant leak. It appears to be leaking like it's got a pinhole right here in this hose. That's the culprit. So we're going to replace the heater hoses. Alright, just a fair warning you guys with that crankcase ventilation hose down there. I did break it, trying to get the intake off. It's hard, it's brittle, so be really careful with that. So we'll go ahead and get started first by replacing our coolant hose here underneath the intake. Zoom you guys in. Alright, get you guys in a little bit closer there, so hose we're going after. That guy right there with that clamp. When all else fails, cable clamp fires. You want the ball? You have to sit. I got it. Oh, now we got you. That's the trick. You got to be holding the ball. There you go. She's happy. It's a dog's life. All right, next we're going to go after our coolant overflow slash thermostat to heater hose. This guy just kind of winds all the way back here. So we'll do our disconnects, dislocation at the tee off. So we have another line coming up here and junction towards the back. Sucker. Kind of worried about this tee that it connects to. I'm sure it's going to be plastic. Tried to upsell the whole hose all the way back to the heater. Just going to work on this area here near the intake, so everything else we can access another point. Come on, sucker. I don't know why I'm even messing around with those little pliers. These are usually my go-to. What would you know? Alright, let's get our pick in here, try to break it free. Might just slice it with a razor blade, that tends to help. Need a pick with a little bit more pickage. There we go. It's kind of difficult to get both your hands off there on there to hold the other side. Very gently work it off here. Give it a little twist. She always likes a little twist. But it doesn't always do it for her. Alright, we're done messing around. Alright, that one was really a sucker. I don't know, you guys tell me. Do you struggle with hoses sometimes? I feel like it should be easier than what it is. But you know, I just like to make things hard on myself. Alright, what's going on here, sucker? We're all tangled up. End up breaking something. Just gotta get mad at it. That spaghetti looking thing. See, there is our pinhole. $64,000 miles. Most hoses last, 100K, but sorry, Charlie. Alright, so we'll go ahead and get all this cleaned up, replace our oil collector, and get the O-rings off here, get the surface cleaned up, install our hoses, and get ready to put the intake back on. Hey viewers, and thanks for tuning in to another episode of In-Depth Auto Tech. This is the first of a two-part series. In the next episode, we'll be doing the reassembly and confirming our repair. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more content, and thank you for your views. Have a nice day.